Another episode of Historical Creations. This is a pomander. If you don't know what this is, pomander is a nice Christmas smelly thing that you can have forever. You're going to use one orange and some whole cloves, and you may actually need a pick if you can't push them in, but you want to take and you want to drive one of these directly into your orange, and you want to cover the orange completely. And I'm just going to stick these in here. What's going to happen is slowly, ever so slowly, the water will dissipate from the orange and it will shrink down to a hard ball. So I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's completely covered. Working on there. That's the base. Doing the other side. Yeah, it gets kind of messy. Don't be afraid to stick them in there. We're going to cover this completely. And there it is, completely covered on all sides. This is the ultimate in Victorian pomanders, and it smells incredible. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wooden bowl. I'm going to place that right in there. Let this beautiful, incredible smell fill the room as it slowly becomes a hardened ornament. And this will last for generations if taken care of.